So the question is, identify the given symbol, number, or expression of radicals. So, isa man na siya.
This is cube root of 4x.
What is the expression of that?
Radical expression. Ano? Radical.
Yes, correct.
Sige, bitaw.
So, Mr. Det,
Pinasa.
what is the question, please?
The square root of 2x.
So, what is the
Radical.
Yes, the correct answer.
Radical equation, sir.
Yes, that's correct.
Siya na nang stop ba?
Square of 2. Radical side.
Yes, that's correct. So, all of you give us 5 claps.
1, 2, 3, 4.